So hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about Gree AC P8 error. P8 error comes only in inverter types of units inside Gree air conditioner. So inverter type air conditioner have a PCB board which is divided into three sections. The first is main board, the second one is filter board, and the third one is drive board. So there is an IC called IPM inside the driving board. IPM IC is stopped working due to overheating, so that we're facing P8 error. So let's see the causes of P8 error in Gree air conditioner. Actually, this IC gets very hot, so this IC is tightened with the large heat exhauster by applying glue with the screw. The main reason for this problem is that the glue runs out from the top of the IC. Then the heat of the IC doesn't transfer to the heat exhauster. So IC gets very hot and stop working. Due to this happening again and again, the IC gets burned too. And we face P8 error in our air conditioner. So what is the solution? Let's see the solution. First of all, we have to turn off the power supply of our air conditioner. Now we will open the outdoor unit and open the control box. Then remove the driving board from inside the control box. The important notice: maybe the driving board stores the electricity inside it. So first of all, discharge it carefully and with the safety. After cleaning them properly, we have to apply glue again and again and stick it again in the same place with heat exhauster and tighten it again. And if the problem is same, replace the IC. And after replacing the IC, if the problem is still same, you have to replace the driving board. Then it will work good. So that's it. Try it and your AC will work good. Thank you. Bye bye.